Hey guys, this is Ryan with Beyond Microgreens, and this is another episode of Cooking with Ryan. Today, we have two guests. This is the first time we've had two guests on.
Mm-hmm.
This is Kyle, my brother, and Rita, Kyle's girlfriend. And you guys are both college students.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sophomores in college.
Sophomores in college. Where do you go to school?
I go to Indiana University.
Indiana University.
And I go to Notre Dame.
Notre Dame. Very nice. So, college students, and so, they like to do quick, easy, delicious food. So, what are we making, guys?
Today we're making sweet potato fries in the air fryer.
And we picked the air fryer just because it's quick and easy.
Quick and easy,
You do a lot of
and
stuff in
a
it.
healthier option.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And then, obviously, we're going to have to top it off with the star of the show, Broccoli Booster, but we'll get into that later. So,
Yeah.
what are we doing first, guys?
First we are cutting the sweet potatoes, which I cut most of them
Yeah,
already.
we already pre-sliced.
We pre-sliced them, and then we soak them in water for 10 minutes.
Okay. We've kind of done that already.
Yeah.
So, you guys don't have to wait, so...
We use about like a whole sweet potato.
Right,
Yeah.
a big, thick sweet potato. And so, yeah, and it's basically up to you on how you want to chop them.
You can leave the skin on.
Yeah,
or
we're
off.
doing
Yeah.
thin potatoes. Sweet
Yeah,
potato
kind of like a...
fries.
It's just like how you want your fry, like in a restaurant.
Exactly,
You have skin on
exactly.
it or not.
What are your guys' favorite cuts?
Probably-
I like thin.
Thin.
I love a good steak fry.
See,
I'm not a fan.
I do not like steak fries. I don't know what you're talking
No,
about.
I know.
Really?
I like curly fries.
I like curly fries.
I like curly fries a lot.
I don't know how they make curly
but the
fries.
thinner the better. I like steak and shake fries. Those are amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, McDonald's fries are always good.
Yeah, they're alright.
But this is a healthier option.
This is
Yeah,
a healthier
exactly.
option.
And I love sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes might be my favorite vegetable.
Yes, sweet
Yeah.
potatoes
They're
are
super
amazing.
versatile.
Aren't they a superfood?
They are a
Yeah.
superfood.
All right, so I'm gonna go drain this water.
Okay, sounds good. So you drain it, and then what is the next?
Then we pat dry the sweet
Pat dry.
potatoes
Got
and
this.
cover them in cornstarch, and then place them in the air fryer for 15 minutes
At 375.
at 375.
375.
And so I'm gonna pat dry my bowl too, because I'm gonna add
Oh,
cornstarch to it.
Okay. All right.
And the key is that you get the sweet potatoes evenly coated in cornstarch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So I can help her out doing something.
And so, I said my favorite vegetable is sweet potato. What's your guys' favorite vegetable?
Mine's green bean.
I like Brussels sprouts.
Brussels
I
sprouts
love
are
Brussels
good.
sprouts.
Brussels sprouts are
Now,
very
how do
good.
you prepare them or cook them?
If you do some like olive oil with roasted garlic,
Fair.
it's pretty good with
Skillet,
Yeah.
oven,
I do
grill.
skillet. I do
Okay.
skillet, yeah.
Bake Brussels sprouts.
Baked. I like baked. Yeah.
Yeah, you're a big fan of baked.
I love
Brussels
baked.
sprouts.
I actually had a Brussels sprout pizza last night.
Oh wow.
Brussels
pretty
sprout pizza?
Yeah, very good.
That sounds good.
Yes. And then obviously we're patting down
Yeah.
the sweet potatoes.
And the reason why we're taking a little longer is because you want them to be really dry, or like
For
the
the air fryer.
cornstarch will get super clumpy.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Like you want it to be like a powdery type of feel on this
Very
sweet
nice.
potato.
Okay.
So we're
So
throwing
good
all
work.
these in.
Good work, guys. This is nice to see. I wish I could help, but I like to watch as well. So
Yeah, and the more that you drain it in the sink, the easier it will be to like dry them off. Like
Right.
I didn't drain them.
and
as
why
well
do you
as-
think we soak them in water just to make them softer? Or?
Yeah, just to make
Yeah.
them softer, because
Okay.
you don't want like a soup. Like if you don't do that, then the fry will like be super crunchy and like it won't taste as good.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
And our viewers are probably
See, trial and error. I figured that out.
Oh, you did. Okay,
Yeah,
very
exactly.
nice.
Yeah.
And so,
Good to
our
know.
viewers are probably wondering. You guys are college students. What are you guys studying?
Rita, you got it.
I'm studying biotechnology and I'm minoring in business.
So super smart person right there. Couldn't do biotechnology. I don't even know what that means. Go
And
ahead.
then I'm studying biological sciences.
Okay, sick.
Which is pre-med with a minor in poverty studies.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
It's an interesting like balance of
Yeah,
children.
and I'm sure people ask you this all the time, but what do you guys want to do with that? I know you guys are sophomores in college, but
Yeah, I'm like stuck in between two career paths. It's either like an orthopedic surgeon, which is you go to medical school, or
sounds
you
fun.
go to dental school to be an oral surgeon.
And here are
Nice.
the coated cornstarch
Yeah.
Amazing.
sweet potato fries.
Okay, so now the next step is put them in the air fryer.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Alright.
let's open the air fryer. This is a brand new air fryer.
Don't need gloves.
Okay, so we'll do this.
The reason why we're using gloves is because we thought we needed to
Preheated
preheat it. But we didn't know, so it's like kind of hot right now. So we'll put that on the plate.
Yep.
Got
Great.
that. Yeah.
Fantastic.
That's pretty good.
Throw it in. And then halfway through the 15 minutes, you're going to take them out of the air fry and give them one stir. And then
One
put them back
stir.
in for the
Okay.
remaining of the 15 minutes.
So
375
375.
for 15 minutes.
This is another first, an air fryer on
Yep.
the episode. Never had that.
And there we go.
Wait. See you back in 18 minutes?
15
minutes. See you
Yep.
guys. Hey guys, we're back. Still back in the air fryer right now. Got 5 minutes-ish.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do now is make the sauce. So
We have some butter here and brown sugar, and we're just going to add a little bit of each. We're adding the brown sugar to the butter, and we're going to mix it up. And then we also have some cinnamon here, so it's like a cinnamon butter for our cinnamon sweet potato fries.
yeah, it's great.
A great topping.
Yeah.
And we're just going to do a pinch of cinnamon.
It's pretty
You don't
strong,
need it.
right?
Yeah, it's pretty strong. You don't need much more than that.
Yeah.
It's easiest to do like with room temp butter, so it's spreadable.
Right. No.
Right.
If you
room
just
temp
take it right
butter.
out of the fridge, it won't work.
Yeah.
And then we're going to add some more brown sugar.
And are you looking for a specific consistency here? Or just
Not necessarily, just
Okay.
the right amount of each
Okay.
ingredient.
sounds good.
We want it sweet but savory.
I like it. I like
Mm-hmm.
it. Fair enough. So would you guys make this at college or
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's a good snack, like late at
Sounds
night.
like it.
Yes, it's a great snack.
Yeah.
It's
Really
easy to
good.
eat unhealthy at night.
Right.
Right.
You know, well
It's easy to pop a pizza in the oven.
exactly.
Yeah.
But now we can just pop some sweet potatoes in the air fryer.
That's
If you
great
do have a
idea.
cheat day and put pizza in the oven, you have to put microgreens to make yourself feel a little
Yeah,
better.
didn't you use that?
I had a pizza late last night actually. but
What,
I
an
used,
Xbox or something?
no, I did use microgreens.
We are guilty of sharing a pizza last
Okay.
night.
fair enough.
But we put microgreens on it.
So it makes
it
Great.
a little
better.
Yeah,
So
it was
here is
very
our
nice.
cinnamon butter.
That looks really good.
Should be fantastic. You
Yes.
guys probably can't see that far away.
Maybe show it to that.
Oh,
camera.
yeah.
Yeah. All right, sweet.
Our cinnamon butter to dip our fries in.
And we have 3 minutes left.
3 minutes.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I just want to ask you guys, what's your favorite thing about broccoli booster? Now you said you can put it on pizza, but what do you like best about broccoli booster?
I love that I can get most of my greens and vegetables for the day without it tasting like I'm eating a whole head of broccoli.
Yes, I agree with that.
That's similar to mine. I just like how fresh it is when you open it and
Yeah.
smell it. It's very earthy. So
Very
like when you're
earthy.
eating it on something,
Yeah.
and you bring it up to your nose, it like makes you feel good and like fresh, good ingredients with
Right.
what you're eating.
Well, I think the major thing is we harvest these at the peak nutrition at 14 days, and then we freeze dry it the same exact day when we
Yeah.
cut them.
Mm-hmm.
And so what that does is it keeps all those nutrients. I mean, you can see the whole plant in it still.
Yeah.
They're always packed to the brim.
It's
Yeah.
packed.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Broccoli booster's the way to go.
Yeah, exactly. You heard it first right here.
It's good for anyone. Anyone who doesn't
Yeah.
like vegetables, children,
It's
adults.
it's easy way
everyone.
to sneak some vegetables into
Yeah.
your diet. Yeah, for sure. All right. Well, we got 2 minutes in that. Looks pretty good. Right
You just
now.
waiting until it's like a golden brown.
Yeah,
nice
and then
color.
we're gonna toss it in some olive oil and
kosher salt. and
sea
then
salt and a little bit of cinnamon, and then they go back in the air fryer.
For how long?
7 minutes.
7 more minutes.
And then it's done.
And then it's
And then
done.
you're
You dip them into your cinnamon brown sugar butter.
And then you're done.
Yeah.
Yep.
Enjoy then.
Quick and easy.
Quick
and then we
easy.
just gotta top it off with broccoli booster.
Yeah, for sure.
So, all right.
All right.
Okay, so now our sweet potatoes are done. Well, they're not quite done, but they're done for now, and we're adding oil.
So we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil.
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5. So I'm gonna take the one from.
Here, I'll get something for us to
I'm gonna get the half.
Nice.
And
I'll
you
start.
can start stirring.
They're feeling crispy.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
You can hear like that ASMR. Like
Yeah, the
little
air
crunch.
fryer. Yeah, I'm excited to try them.
So then you usually use 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, but like
Okay.
you don't
Yeah,
really,
that's it.
you don't really.
Just
throw it in there.
Yeah, you just kind of
You gotta
Like
do
the
that.
salt,
You
man.
gotta do that.
Yeah.
like that.
And then we're gonna add some cinnamon because we made that cinnamon butter.
Yum.
And so then next you do 3/4 a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then like if you guys aren't huge cinnamon fans, you technically don't have to use cinnamon. Like you can not do the cinnamon butter at all, and then do instead of 3/4 a tablespoon of, a teaspoon of cinnamon, you do 3/4 a teaspoon of chili powder. If like you're more of you like kind of like the kick. Alrighty.
Yeah, that's pretty
That
good.
should be good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Awesome. That's good. Plenty.
Yum.
And then we're just gonna stir this up and throw it back in the air fryer.
For 7 minutes until golden brown.
Yep.
Okay.
They're smelling fabulous.
Mm-hmm.
I'm excited.
Yeah, they look really good.
Okay.
Alright.
We get like a little. We pour them back in here.
Yeah.
You guys are a good team.
And then, and then when you put them on, the best is like what Rita's
Shake it
doing
out.
is shaking it out so it's an even spread, so that you don't have like fries on top of the other, and then you get uneven cooking. Okay, for 7 minutes, and you bump it down to 300 at this time.
Perfect.
What up, guys? We're back for the last step of this process.
We are taking
The unveiling
out,
of the fries.
We're
This
taking
looks
out the
good.
sweet potato fries.
You just dump them on.
They look
Okay.
fabulous.
Like really good.
And they
So-
smell wonderful.
We'll sprinkle some of this amazing goodness on the top,
Along with a little bit of salt.
like so. We just down that. I like a nice heaping amount of broccoli booster, so that's what I did. Okay, guys, we'll dig in. You know the rules
Here
here.
you go first.
Ladies first. And we'll see how these are. They might be pretty hot. They're pretty hot.
They're pretty hot.
This one's pretty good though.
This one's really hot.
It's really hot.
I got a skinny one.
Mmm.
They're good.
I can't even get the.
It might burn your
Sauce.
mouth.
A little less.
I think that's like the theme of the show. Everyone burns their mouth on the show, but
The butter makes it.
Mm-hmm.
The cinnamon butter.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's really good.
Very good.
Very good.
Okay,
What would you rate it?
well we do. Ladies 1st.
Mhm.
Oh, that's a hot one.
That's a hot one.
I'd say 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Wow.
I think a little less cinnamon on the fries next time.
Good to know.
What do you
There's
think?
improvements. Kyle, what would-
Improvements.
I would give it a 6.5. I just like the cinnamon butter like makes it, and then if you just let these cool down a little, I feel like it would even
Yeah.
bump the rating up higher.
Yeah, so love the idea, love the fries, love sweet potato,
Yeah.
love broccoli booster, love all this
Healthy.
stuff. Some improvements could have made it a little bit crunchier. And we need some more, like, the sauce is great,
Yeah.
but it's great. I would say 6.2. Kind of in the middle of your guys's.
Yeah.
I mean, say it's still good. I mean, not failing, not
Yeah,
failing.
Not failing.
So great job, guys. And where can we find? Well, first, where can we find you? Where can the audience find you? Like on social media, like do you have your own
yes.
website, something like that.
I'm on Instagram
Okay.
and
And what's your?
Marita Christopher.
Marita
At
Christopher.
Marita Christopher
Okay,
is my
there you
handle.
go. And then anything else?
That's all.
Okay. Kyle.
I don't have
Kyle
Instagram.
McAvoy LinkedIn.
Yeah, you can have me on
Add
LinkedIn.
him on LinkedIn. He's gonna be a future
No social media.
doctor. Hit him up if you have issues with COVID or something.
Yeah.
All right. thanks so much, guys, for joining.
Yeah,
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, it was really fun. Thanks so much,
Very
guys,
fun.
for joining and watching this.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.